Scientific management, pioneered by Frederick Winslow Taylor in the early 1900s, sought to improve industrial efficiency by applying scientific methods to management. Taylor observed that traditional work practices were often inefficient and inconsistent. To address this, he introduced several key principles. Tasks were broken down into simpler, repetitive steps, with a focus on identifying the one best way to perform each task. This standardized approach aimed to reduce variability and increase efficiency. Taylor used detailed observations and measurements, known as time and motion studies, to analyze how workers performed their tasks. These studies helped identify more efficient ways to complete work, reducing wasted time and effort. Taylor emphasized selecting workers with the right abilities for each task and providing them with proper training to follow the standardized procedures. To motivate workers to adopt these optimized practices, Taylor advocated for incentive systems that rewarded higher productivity with higher pay. While scientific management significantly increased productivity in many industries, it was also criticized for treating workers as machines, reducing job satisfaction, and neglecting the social aspects of work. Nonetheless, it laid the foundation for later management theories and practices. Stay tuned for more insights into management and organizational behavior. If you found this overview helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on future topics you'd like us to cover. I'm Dr. Dag, wishing you a fantastic day ahead.